Greetings. Here we have another interesting question from signals and systems based on linear convolution. See, you have a 2-point sequence for input x of n and a 5-point sequence for output y of n. Now, in this scenario, we should be able to find impulse response or unit sample response of this LTI system, linear time invariant or linear shift invariant system. Okay, now we can apply Z transforms. We can find h of z is equal to y of z over x of z, but there we will end up at improper fractions. So that improper, again we have to convert to a proper rational function, then only we can apply partial fractions to find out h of n, but that will take a deal of time. So let's not choose that path. Let's choose a simple and smartest way in solving this h of n. So you see, I have a finite length sequence x of n. Y of n is also a finite length sequence, means h of n must be again a finite length sequence. So end of the day, so what we have is x of n linearly convolved with h of n is equal to y of n. Yeah, the beauty of linear time invariant system is that system we can show it as a signal or a sequence. This is really great with LTI system. Anyways, so therefore x of n, now if the length of the sequence x of n is L and length of the sequence h of n is m and length of the sequence y of n is say block n or capital N. Now length n, now finally length this n, length of the output sequence n is equal to L plus m minus 1. This is well-known fact. Yes or not? Whenever we encounter linear convolution between two finite length sequences of length L and m respectively, then the overall output response length will be L plus m minus 1. Okay. Now if you observe carefully, output length, now in this case output length n is equal to how many samples we have? So we have, of course, also we have to include zeros. Okay, so we have 5 samples in the output side, and we have, see here, now this length L is equal to, we have 2. Okay, so L equal to 2 and equal to 5. Now just apply it here. So I have 5, I have L equal to, I have 2, n equal to, of course, 5 we have, L equal to 2. Now m is what? M must be 4. M must be 4. So therefore 2 plus 4 minus 1 equal to 5 satisfied. That means length of h of n must be 4. Okay, first we have to fix this. So once you fix this, just give me 2 seconds. Meanwhile let me take my red sketch. Okay, first we have to confirm this. So h of n, so our unit sample response or impulse response of linear time invariant system, this in this problem, h of n length m is equal to obtained 4. Okay, say that h of n sequence has 4 samples whose values are a, b, c, d. Okay, as of now we don't know what this a, b, c, d, but anyways we deduced things out and we obtained m equal to 4. So length of the sequence, we have 4 samples for now, like this. So use your tabular form, simple tabular form we have, right? So how do you do this? Let me put it down here. So let me use my tabular form. Let me take a, b, c, d here. I hope you are familiar with tabular form. If not, you can check it out here. So okay, that's fine. So now your input sequence x of n is this side, and unit sample response or impulse response is here, h of n. Now 1 multiplied by a, so this 1 you multiply with all these elements here, so a, b, c, d. Similarly minus 1 multiplied by a and so on, b, c, d. So you get minus a, minus b, minus c, minus d. Now arrange them in bins. So you arrange them in bins like this. So now what you have? So x of n linearly convolved with h of n equal to y of n. So y of n is equal to, we obtained a, and This is what now? Minus a plus b. So minus c. Just add these elements within the bins. And this one is minus b plus c. This is minus b plus c. And this is minus c plus d. And last one is minus d. Okay, so how many samples we have in the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Satisfied with this. So we are done with that. Now you see, now just equate in the question, in the given question, y of n is equal to what do we have? This is the given, right? This is given stuff. 1, 0, 0, 0, negative 1. Okay, so 1, 0, 0, 0, negative 1. So now what can be done here? You see, now a is equal to 1. Okay, you take a is equal to 1. Now minus a plus b equal to 0. See, minus a plus b equal to 0. This means b is equal to a. But what is a? A is 1. So therefore b is also equal to 1. And this one you see, minus b plus c equal to 0. So minus b plus c equal to 0. This means c is equal to b. Okay, so c is equal to b, but what is b? B is again 1, c is 1. You can make it here minus c plus d equal to 0. So c is equal to d. As c is 1, d is 1. Otherwise, directly you can find here. Okay, negative d is equal to negative 1. So d is equal to 1. So d is equal to 1. Finally, h of n is what? Our h of n is 1, 1, 1, 1. That's it. So the final answer is h of n. This sequence h of n is 1, 1, 1, 1. That's it. You can check it out. Now you replace a, b, c, d by 1s. Okay. You convolve these two quantities linearly. Now you will get this one. You can check it out. Thank you.